Okay, I have refined my little setup here a little bit. I have gotten rid of the 6-volt battery and traded it for an old lawnmower battery charger. It's supposed to output 13.2 volts at 140 milliamps. I'm not sure how these things work. They're both literally and figuratively a black box to me. But this guy seems to work for what I'm using. I've replaced my light bulb with a 200 ohm resistor, which I found on an old circuit board somewhere, and I think that is going to work out much better because it really reduces the amps going through the cells. And so turn on my little watt meter here. Okay, and then get this guy plugged in. Okay, so with the power brick plugged in, we've got about 5 volts ish. I'm not sure. It jumps around a lot. I don't know if that's normal behavior for a power brick, but that's what this one does, and I'm getting about 5 volts. Initial voltage is 1.45 volts, and I definitely have a good connection there. Okay, good. Alright, so there we had about 1.5 volts. So you can see the we can watch if we watch, okay, 7 amp hours. It's not registering on the meter, but it is happening because we can see the amp hours going up. You know, it went slowly, obviously, but we can also watch the voltage very slowly creeping up. So there we go, 9 milliamp hours. So I'm very pleased with that. I'd still like to make this system a little better, but I think I've been watching some YouTubes and everybody says batteries with low voltage like these, charge them with as few milliamps as possible, and they don't get warm. I mean, this is just you know, this is nice and cool to the touch. And over here with our little resistor, my resistor is kind of warmish, so not bad for an electronics noob, I suppose. And eventually I'll get a proper battery holder for this side so that I don't have to mess with magnets. I don't have enough magnets. I have 3 magnets, and these 2 I scavenged out of an old hard drive, and this one I found on the side of my table. The old setup, 16 amp hours, 16 milliamp hours, sorry. So maybe I can get a more stable power brick. I don't know. Let's see if the voltage on this cell has changed at all. It was 1.45 volts initially. So anyway, what do we have here? We have let's let it rest here. 2.65 volts. So it was at, what was it at? It went from 1.45 to 2.65, and it doesn't appear to be dropping.